Hello! Today I'm going to show you a different way to divide a circle into equal parts. Let's draw a big circle. Now select Shape Properties from the top toolbar. We can also access Shape Properties from the Properties panel. If your panel is not showing, go to Window and select Properties. Click on the three dots at the bottom right corner to open the Options window. Now highlight the number in the Pi and Angle window and then type 360 over whatever number of parts you would like to divide your circle into. I'm going to type 5. After you do this, press the Tab key on your keyboard to let Illustrator do the math for you. Now all we need to do is rotate this shape around the center point by this number. Be sure to remember this angle's value. You can either write it down, or the easiest way to do it is to highlight it and then press the Ctrl and C keys on your keyboard to copy it to an invisible clipboard. Now click away to deselect and then press the letter R for the Rotate tool. Next, press and hold down the Alt key, and when you see the three dots next to the cursor, click on this anchor point to set the rotation point. Now press the Ctrl and V keys on your keyboard to paste the saved angle's value into this window. Click Copy and then press the Ctrl and D keys on your keyboard several times to make additional copies. If you like, apply different colors. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.